If twice the value of a certain number is increased by 8, the result is 40, what is the number? Okay, so i-translate lang natin word by word. So sabi, if twice, so that means nakamultiply sa 2. Twice the value of a certain number. The value of a certain number, hindi natin alam yung number. So mag-assign tayo ng variable, let's say n. So we have 2 times n is increase. Is increase, so that means plus by 8, so plus 8. The result is, ibig sabihin, equal sign 40 equals 40. What is the number? Solve for n. So first step, subtract 8 to both sides. So cancel this. We have 2n is equal to 40 minus 8. That is equal to 32. And then last step, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, the number is equal to 32 divided by 2 is 16. Letter B. Follow for more.